This video is about the Motium wiper blades from Amazon. They are by far the cheapest you'll find for the F150. I've been using them for a few weeks and they work just as good as any wiper blade I've installed. The price difference between these and what you can get at your local auto parts store is quite dramatic. I'll leave a link in the description. The install is simple, especially if you're familiar with the J-hook wiper arm. I'm installing on a 2015 F150, but the J-hook install will be similar for many different makes and models. First, lift your wiper arm to the service position. That'll allow us to easily access the old blades for removal. These Rain-X blades I have are removed by pinching the release buttons on the side and flipping the lock tab out. This will unlock the blade from the J-hook, allowing you to push down towards the base of the arm until it releases. Like this, down with a little force. Now let's open up our Motium wipers. You get two for less than the price of what you get one for at your local auto parts store. My only complaint is they're not 100% silicone. Silicone wipers are a better choice as they do last longer, but they do cost 2 to 4 times as much. I'll be trying these out to see how much life I can get at the discounted price. I'm noticing this release tab is much easier and springy than the Rain-X blades I had prior. When installing, the arm with J-hook will need to feed through here, then slide into this opening. And here's a better look at that opening. Now that we familiarize ourselves with the bracket, let's do the install. We'll slide it through here, then set the J-hook into the opening, firmly slide away from the base of the arm until we hear a click. Like that. Then we'll close the locking tab. With that done, we can remove the yellow protective cover, lower the arm back into position, and the install is as simple as that. And surprisingly, the other side is done the exact same way. I do have a short that I'll link in the description showing me doing that side just in case you need a quick recap. Hope this video helped, and I'll leave you with a Goldendoodle and Tulip Poplar enjoying a windy winter afternoon.